covering altcoin trading. Please pause and is all for educational purposes. In this module, we will be covering the utility of the altcoin trading strategy, how to correctly implement it, and then go over some examples and tips and tricks on how to best use it. By using this altcoin trading strategy, you will understand why it is paramount to chart the altcoin BTC pair, and then determine whether the altcoin can outperform BTC. You will be able to focus on fewer altcoins, but trade them well. To correctly implement the altcoin trading strategy, you will need to track and chart the altcoin BTC pair. Once this analysis is completed, you can then move on to the altcoin USD or USDT pair. We recommend that you trade no more than 5 altcoins, as you will need 2 charts per altcoin. Now let's have a look at a practical example. Here we have the Link USDT pair on Bybit, and we are on the weekly time frame. Let's have a look at what the asset did from the end of the week of January 24th to the end of the week of March 21st. As we can observe, over a period of 56 days, the asset lost 5% in USD value. Now let's check what Bitcoin did in the same time period. For this, we will use the BTC USD pair on Bybit, also on the weekly time frame. Here we can see that from the end of the week of January 24th to the end of the week of the 21st of March, over a period of 56 days, Bitcoin had a price increase of approximately 24%. Now let's check the Link BTC pair. For this, we will use the chart on Binance, also on the weekly time frame. Here we will mark, once again, the end of the week of January 24th to the end of the week of March 21st. And we can observe that in the same 56-day period, Link lost 23% compared to Bitcoin. In other words, it underperformed Bitcoin by 23%. This shows that it is very important to check the altcoin BTC pair to see if it can outperform Bitcoin and produce higher USD returns. In this case, we should focus on parts of the chart where support is found and the asset has a good chance of bouncing and outperforming Bitcoin for a longer time period. In these situations, there is a possibility of producing higher USD returns than by trading Bitcoin long from here. Conversely, when reaching strong areas of resistance on the altcoin BTC pair, it is better to trade Bitcoin as it will outperform the altcoin for the following time period if there is a retracement. Now let's go over some tips and tricks. It makes little sense to trade the altcoin USD or USDT pair without tracking the altcoin BTC pair. If the altcoin is not outperforming Bitcoin, then it is just better to trade BTC instead. You can trade the altcoin USDT pair on Bybit, but use the altcoin BTC analysis from the Binance chart. Here is the take-home message for this module. The altcoin BTC pair is a must to chart when trading altcoins, as it will allow you to determine whether the altcoin can outperform Bitcoin and produce higher USD returns. We recommend that you trade less altcoins, a maximum of 5, but that you trade altcoins better. This concludes today's module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy learning and happy trading.